Usap-usapan ngayon sa social media ang pagkadawit kay Ivana Alawi sa reklamo ni Dominic Nicky Benitez laban sa asawang si Alberto Albi Benitez. Si Albi ay bagong halal na Bacolod City Congressman at isang kilalang independent producer ng TV shows. Kumalat online ang sworn complaint affidavit ni Nicky na umaakusa kay Albi ng infidelity o pakikiapid. Sa laysay ni Nicky, dati nang nakarating sa kanya ang balibalitang may kalaguyo ang mister. Ngunit ipinagsawalang bahala ron niya iyon dahil wala siyang sapat na basihan. Hanggang sa naghain daw si Albi ng petition for declaration of nullity of marriage. Dito na rin daw nabasa ni Nicky ang pag-amin ni Albi na nagkaroon ito ng 2 anak sa ibang babae habang sila ay mag-asawa. Nakasaad din daw sa petition ni Albi ang ani ni Nicky implied admissions of his current illicit relationship with Ivana Alawi. Sabi pa ni Nicky, dito rin daw niya nakumpirmang mayroong ibang babae ang asawa. Labis to nadurog si Nicky at numanas ng mental at emotional anguish. Dahilan na para sampahan ng mister ng reklamong paglabag sa Republic Act 9262 o Violence Against Women and Their Children. Mababasa sa complaint affidavit ni Nicky, published as is. While I heard rumors of respondents' infidelity early on, I had no proof of such facts. It was only when I received the petition for declaration of nullity of marriage filed by respondent and after reading the admission of respondent of having fathered 2 illegitimate children and his implied admission of his current illicit relationship with Ivana Alawi, that I was able to confirm his marital infidelity. I felt utterly betrayed by the respondent and was devastated beyond compare after finally discovering and confirming the truth in respondent's lies. February 2024 nang magsimulang maugnay sa isa't isa si Ivana at si Albi na dating Bacolod Mayor. Ito'y matapos nilang maispatang magkasama sa airport sa Japan. Mabilis naman itong itinanggi ni Ivana na maglabas siya ng pahayag sa kanyang Facebook account noong February 10, 2024. Napilitan umano siyang magsalita dahil nadadamay ang mga mahal sa buhay, partikular na ang ina at ang kababatang kapatid na si Mona. Saad noon ni Ivana, there are posts and issues involving my name. I tried to stay quiet and dumedma na lang dahil sa paniniwala ko na hindi ako dapat magsalita, lalo kapag alam ko na wala akong ginagawang masama. But because of the false accusations and hurtful words that are being thrown to my mom and Mona, kailangan ko nang linawin ang mga bagay. Diin noon ni Ivana, wala silang espesyal na ugnayan ni Benitez. Totoo raw na may idinidate siya, ngunit hindi ito politician kundi isang businessman. Ani Ivana, published as is, this will be the first and last time na magsasalita ako tungkol dito. Hindi po ako ang nasasabing girlfriend ni Mayor Albi Benitez. I met him when I had worked in Bacolod. He was very accommodating and friendly. At hindi lang siya ang politikong nakilala ko at naging kaibigan. I am currently seeing someone who makes me happy. All I can say is that he is a respectable businessman and not a politician. Dagdag pa ni Ivana, sana this helps clear my name and clarify all rumors. Isang araw lamang ang lumipas, sinigundahan ni Albi si Ivana. Ayon sa politician businessman, chance encounter lamang ang pagkikita nila ni Ivana sa Japan. Nilinaw rin ng nooy alkalde na ang pagpunta niya sa Japan ay para sa isang business trip, gaya na nakasaad sa official travel order. Humingi rin noon si Albi ng paumanhin kay Ivana at pamilya nito dahil sa pagkakasangkot nila sa issue. Narito ang kabuuang pahayag ni Albi na ibinahagi niya sa kanyang social media account noong February 11, 2024. I am fully aware of the video footage that has been circulating which unfortunately does not accurately explain why I was in Tokyo. I went there on a business trip as stated in my official travel order. Speculations involving Miss Ivana Alawi are untrue and only serve to put malice into what was clearly a chance encounter. I apologize to Miss Alawi and her family who have been unfairly dragged into issues concerning my private life. There is no truth to any and all the rumors spreading, and I am setting the record straight to avoid further hurt and damage to them. Maraming salamat po. Sa ngayon, hindi pa naglalabas ng kanyang panig si Ivana Alawi patungkol sa pagkakadawit ng kanyang pangalan sa vowsy complaint laban kay Albi Benitez.
Thank you for watching. Manatiling updated, i-click ang subscribe button at notification bell.